Drinking water and surface water quality are critical to health and ecological balance. Potassium permanganate serves as a key indicator for measuring organic pollutants in water. The PROBEST PCM200-CODmn monitor employs the national standard method for acidic potassium permanganate oxidation titration. It fully automates digestion, titration, and calculation with a detection limit as low as 0.5 mg/L. Equipped with automatic dilution, it handles high concentration samples. Applications suitable for long-term online monitoring of drinking water sources, rivers, lakes, and other water bodies. Core advantages: durable components. Core sapphire valve core offers acid-alkali resistance, extended lifespan, and high stability. Eco-friendly and safe. Features waste liquid separation for separate discharge of high concentration, reaction waste, and low concentration cleaning wastewater. Technical adaptability. Dynamic dilution technology accommodates varying water sample concentrations. Quality control and maintenance. Built-in quality control functions including zero verification, span verification, and spiked recovery tests with remote activation support. Automatic fault diagnosis and reporting with intelligent reset after power loss. Superior performance. Maximum range 0.50 mgl. High accuracy, excellent repeatability, minimal drift. Application: drinking water plants, river monitoring, smart environmental protection projects,